Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to export your chat from Qwen Ai application. From the home screen, select your desired web browsing app. For me, it's Google. Type in Qwen Ai in the search bar of your Google. It will direct you to the home page of the Qwen Ai. In chat, I have typed in describing to create a photo where the cat is playing guitar, and it has already given me the result. So in order to export this result, you just have to click on download option just below the image. Tap on it. And that's how you export chat on Qwen AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.